Welcome, tech enthusiasts and homeowners, to Gadget World. Today, we're venturing into the future of home cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. This cutting-edge cleaning companion boasts matrix clean navigation, home mapping, and a self-empty base, making it a standout in the world of smart home gadgets. Join us for an in-depth review as we explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your home. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Shark AI Ultra. Dressed in sleek silver and black, this robot vacuum adds a touch of modernity to your living space. Its compact design allows it to seamlessly navigate through tight spaces, making it an efficient cleaning marvel. The standout feature here is the Matrix Clean Navigation System. This advanced technology enables the Shark AI Ultra to intelligently navigate and clean your home. Watch as it effortlessly maneuvers around furniture, avoiding obstacles with ease while providing a thorough cleaning experience. Say goodbye to random cleaning paths. The Shark AI Ultra comes equipped with home mapping, allowing it to create a strategic cleaning plan for your entire home. This ensures that every nook and cranny is attended to, providing comprehensive coverage. One of the game-changing features is the self-empty base. No more worrying about constantly emptying the dustbin. The Shark AI Ultra automatically empties its contents into a base with a 60-day capacity. This means less maintenance for you and more continuous cleaning. With voice control capabilities, the Shark AI Ultra integrates smoothly into your smart home ecosystem. Simply use voice commands to start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. For pet owners, the Shark AI Ultra is a dream come true. It's designed to handle homes with pets, providing efficient cleaning on both carpet and hard floors. Say goodbye to unwanted pet hair and dander with this smart cleaning solution. In conclusion, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is more than just a cleaning device. It's a smart home essential. With matrix clean navigation, home mapping, a self-empty base, and voice control capabilities, it's a powerhouse that simplifies your cleaning routine. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more reviews on the latest tech innovations. Explore the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest in smart home technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the Shark AI Ultra or if you're considering it for your home. Until next time, may your home stay clean and your tech choices be as smart as the Shark AI Ultra.